If you have a broken plastic fitting or connector at the fuel tank, vent line, evap line, I will show you how I got it fixed. And we will go and do the permanent repair. Let's get started. Unfortunately, we cannot just replace the broken fitting, we have to fix it, and replacing a tank is not an option. As you can see, I have two red reference marks. Those ones are for proper orientation. Make sure we're putting everything the same way. Let's make our contacting surfaces flash. Make sure they fit each other perfectly and no gaps in between. I'm using just a utility knife to make a straight, nice cut. Very important. Same thing we're going to do on a tubing. As you can see, there is a broken piece inside the plastic tubing, and yeah, now they fit perfect. All right, that's our step, and we're going to use the roll pin. You can buy them at any hardware automotive store. We need a seal all and marine weld. It has been 8 months and I drive my truck every day. No leaks, no issues, no codes. All right, and we just cannot glue it. It will break. We have to use the insert, and this roll pin is our insert. Let's squeeze it and close that gap on the roll pin, and that will give us a better contact and will go in easier. Right, as you can see now, it's like small tubing. Right, I'm using a digital caliper to measure the diameter, and we're at 5.3 millimeters, and we want to go tenths or 15ths of the millimeter over for the drill bit. Okay, using my drill bit I'm going to use, and this one is 5.41. Perfect. Tenth of the millimeter will do the job. Let's drill the what's left from the fitting on a fuel tank, and same thing on a tubing side. All right, all drilled. Okay, now we're going to send our insert, the roller pin. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to wash and clean our mating surfaces, degrease it, and make sure there's no any remnants left after the drilling. Clean it very good. Okay, that's all clean. Let's degrease our insert, and now I'm going to use that seal all glue. This glue works great with the petroleum products. I'm going to use it, just follow the instructions. I got it from the local automotive store. Yeah, you can find them everywhere. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of glue on our roll pin insert we just made. We don't need much, just on outside. Make sure you won't get any glue inside the insert. Just apply it evenly to one side of the insert. And yeah, this truck is Nissan Titan, and yeah, that vent line broke. Okay, I'm going to put one side inside the tubing first, push it in, see it started, and I will just tap in lightly with a hammer a little bit, and then we'll grab our pliers and just twist and get in the almost the halfway. As you can see, it's in, and just enough for that side of the broken part on the fuel tank to get in. Okay, now we're applying our seal all glue to our insert, and yeah, we don't need much. As you can see, I'm staying away from the end of the insert. Make sure you won't get any glue inside. All right, and now I'm going to push another end in, and that will make the good solid firm contact. Let's use the pliers and just go up and down and push it in, and as you can see, that's it, it's in. Okay, this is only half a repair. This is very important to get that insert. Now I'm going to put a glue around that mating part where the tubing connecting to the white fitting. I went to the dealer and they said $1,500 for the new tank, and I went to the junkyard, they all punctured with the holes. I couldn't get that, just a tank. Okay, we need to wait. I will leave it for 20 hours. Alright, as you can see, it's all cured, all good, and my red reference mark is in place, all how it was when that was assembled on the factory. Alright, now I'm going to check, make sure it's all good. It's rigid now, but we have to sand it for good adhesion. And remember, we need to make it solid, make it firm, make sure it won't break. This is now won't leak. And as I said, it has been 8 months after I did this repair, and no leaks, no codes. Okay, I have a marine weld. I'm going to mix them and we'll apply it over our joint. Okay, let's take the even amount. You just go and follow the instruction on the back. And guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, concerns, please put it down in the comment section below. And yeah, all right, let's just do the mix. And more interesting videos, by the way, are coming up. How to troubleshoot fuel pump circuit on Nissan Titan, how to replace the pump. All interesting videos are coming soon. Alright, let's mix it very good. Make sure it's all evenly mixed, and we'll start applying it over, and it will current will become rigid. Alright, I'm using my utility knife. Just go and put it over on both sides, and yeah, we'll speed up the process. Alright, our JB weld, marine weld applied. As you can see, it's all even, and now we have to leave it to make it cure completely. We'll leave it overnight, and yeah, we'll let it cure. He's waiting. Alright, okay, as you can see, it's all cured, all solid, rigid, and it will tell you there's no leaks, no issues. Let's blow inside. As you can see, it's open, and we have no any restrictions inside the tubing. We just connect it, and it's cement solid. Well, it worked for me. I know there's a million ways to do the same thing. This repair saved me money. Guys, if you like it, thumbs up, and yeah, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.